Good morning, students. So from this chapter, carbon compounds, as you have seen how to form carbon compound, how to give names to that carbon compound, what are the rules for giving that name, everything. Now, at the last, we will see about the chemical properties of carbon compounds. So there are main 4 chemical properties of the carbon compounds given in your syllabus. That is combustion, then oxidation, addition reaction, and substitution reaction. So one by one, all those properties we will discuss in this video. So first chemical property of the carbon compound is combustion. So hydrocarbons as well as carbon compounds, most of the carbon compounds undergoes the combustion in presence of oxygen. And while a combustion process, they will emit heat and light in this reaction. And every time carbon dioxide and water as the common products are formed. So these are some examples of the combustion reaction. When carbon combines with oxygen, it will form carbon dioxide and emitting heat and light energy. Methane, when burns in presence of oxygen, then it will form carbon dioxide and water as a common product and heat and light is emitted. And ethanol, CH3CH2OH, that is ethanol, when combined with oxygen and when it will react with oxygen, it will form carbon dioxide, water and heat and energy. So these are the simple examples of the combustion reactions of the carbon compounds. Then second property of the carbon compound is oxidation. Combustion, every time you can observe the carbon compounds are getting oxidized. So what? Carbon compounds are completely oxidized during the process of combustion. So for their oxidation we need some chemical compounds which will provide them as oxygen. So some chemical compounds can also be used as a source of oxygen. त्यांना आपण ऑक्सिजन देणारा किंवा सोर्स ऑफ ऑक्सिजन म्हणून यूज करू. मग the substances which gives ऑक्सिजन, जे ऑक्सिजन अवेलेबल करून देतात त्या सबस्टन्सेसला काय म्हणायचं? ऑक्सिडंट्स और ऑक्सिडायझिंग एजंट. The substances which give oxygen to that other substances are called oxidants or oxidizing agent. तर मग असे काही कॉमन ऑक्सिडायझिंग एजंट्स आहेत जे नेहमी ऑक्सिडेशनच्या प्रोसेसला यूज केले जातात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल पोटॅशियम डायक्रोमेट which is works as a oxidizing agent or oxidant which is used commonly for as a oxidizing agent for with the carbon compounds. Then third property of the carbon compound is, so the third chemical property of the carbon compounds is addition reaction. So addition means one of the element is getting added to the old element or original element. So see, the unsaturated compounds containing double bonds and saturated compounds containing what? Single bond. So by breaking that double bond, if we added hydrogen atoms to it, such a reaction is also what? Addition reaction. So the unsaturated compounds undergo addition reaction and forming the saturated compounds. One of the example of this vanaspati ghee. See, the reaction is used for the hydrogenation of vegetable oils. Vegetable oils से काय केलेलं आहे? Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen in presence of some catalyst like nickel or platinum as a catalyst. ते कॅटलिस्ट वापरून त्यांचं केलं जातं हायड्रोजिनेशन आणि हा डबल बॉन्ड ब्रेक करून काय केलेलं आहे? सिंगल बॉन्ड केलेला आहे आणि त्याच्यात हायड्रोजन्स ऍड केले. दॅट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ वनस्पती घी. सो ॲज डबल बॉन्ड्स आर द फॅट्स which are good for the health. So these are the healthy fats, and by breaking their bond they are converted into the single bond which are not good for our health. So unsaturated fats are healthy while saturated fats are unhealthy. Then fourth property of carbon compound is substitution reaction. Then the fourth chemical property of the carbon compound is substitution reaction. So see, the reaction in which the place of atom or group of atom, एखाद्या ॲटमची किंवा ग्रुप ऑफ ॲटमची जागा तर दुसरा एखादा ग्रुप ऑफ ॲटम किंवा ॲटम घेत असेल, is taken by another atom or group of atom, then such a substitution is happening. म्हणजे एकाची जागा दुसरा ॲटम घेतोय. ह्या ॲटमच्या जी दुसरा ॲटम किंवा त्या ग्रुपचा दुसरा ग्रुप जर येत असेल तर तशा रिॲक्शन्सला काय म्हणतात? सबस्टिट्यूशन रिॲक्शन. देन फॉर द सबस्टिट्यूशन रिॲक्शन, that is chlorination reactions we will discuss. Chlorination reactions are nothing but the examples of substitution reactions. We will see the chlorination reaction.